Good morning. Today again I am with you to teach social studies. Chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Clothes We Wear. There are different kinds of clothes we wear, isn't it? See, in this picture you can see there are different types of clothes people have on. Okay, there are on a hot day we wear a different type of cloth, or a cold day then we wear a uniform, t-shirt, sweater, tie, cap, frock. In this way there are various types of clothes we wear. Now we are going to learn about the different types of clothes we wear. You are ready? Okay. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Last year also you learned it. Why do we wear clothes? Because clothes keep us safe from many things. And what are those things? They are heat, cold, rain and wind. Our clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Okay, and they keep us safe from the insect bites also. Okay, we will not get any insect bite. No insect will bite us if you wear clothes. Okay. Long ago, people covered themselves with the leaves and skins of animals. See, the people who lived before us, very many years before, they did not know how to make these types of cloths. So, what did they wear? They wore the leaves and bark or skin of the animals. That was their cloth. Okay, what did the people wear long ago? They wore leaves and skins of animals. But after some time, we learned the technique to make the cloth. Okay, now we know how to make different types of cloths, isn't it? Okay, now we will learn about different kinds of cloths. We wear different kinds of clothes. Yes or no? Yes. What do you wear in summer? What type of clothes do you wear? You wear cotton cloths. COTTON. Cotton cloths in summer. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because they keep us cool. And we wear what type of clothes in winter? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Spelling W double O double L E N. Woolen. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why? Because they keep us warm. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because woolen clothes keep us warm. Then what do you wear when you go out in the rain? You wear a raincoat. What do you wear in the rain? You wear a raincoat. Okay, what is the spelling of rain? RAIN. Rain. Some raincoats are made of rubber. Okay, some raincoats are made of rubber. And where from do we get rubber? We get rubber from the rubber tree. Where from do we get rubber? From the rubber tree. Okay. Now there are some clothes given here. You have to tell me, we wear it in winter or summer. Tell me which season do we use this cloth? T-shirt? Summer. And this one? Gloves? Winter. This jacket? Winter. This woolen cap? Winter. This trousers? Summer. Muffler? Winter. Frock? Summer. Okay, according to the season, we wear different types of clothes. Okay, so shall we move now? Yes. Now what we will learn? We will learn what are these clothes made of. We wear different kinds of clothes in summer and in winter or in rainy season. Then how do we make these clothes? From what we do we make these clothes? We get cotton from the cotton plant. You wear cotton clothes in summer, your frock is made of cotton, your shirt is made of cotton, mummy's sari is made of cotton, your grandfather's kurta is made of cotton. Okay, so where do we get that cotton from? We get cotton from the cotton plant. This is what a cotton plant. And this flower, it is not flower actually, that is what cotton balls. Okay, from these cotton balls, what do we make? We make thread. Okay, we make thread from the cotton balls. Then we use that thread to make cloth. Cotton cloths are made by using that thread. This is how we get our clothes, cotton cloths. Okay, next one is woolen cloths. Who gave us wool? Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Okay, sheep's body is covered with thick hair. See, this is what the hair of a sheep. And what do we do? That hair is cut and cleaned to make woolen thread. We take this hair of the sheep, it is cut and it is cleaned. Then what do? We make woolen thread, and this woolen thread is used to make woolen cloths. Have you understood? Our clothes, most of our clothes are made of cotton or wool. Who gives you cotton? Cotton plant. Who gives you wool? Sheep. Okay, now we will learn about some special clothes. What are the special clothes? Look here. Uniforms. People wear different types of uniforms and they all are special clothes. You wear uniform to your school? Yes or no? Yes. A nurse wears uniform daily in the hospital? Yes. Postman, he has a uniform, he wears uniform. And security guard, he also has a particular kind of uniform. Policewoman, she also has the uniform. Okay, so these are the different kinds of special clothes. And you know that whenever you go for party, then also you wear special clothes. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will learn more about the clothes. Now see these photos. How beautifully they are decorated. They have worn the dress. What these pictures tell us? People in different parts of our country wear different dresses. Okay, this is the dress worn in some states of India. This is the dress worn by the men and women in some other states, and in some other parts of the country people wear like this. Okay, it means there are different types of clothes. There are some people in the country, in our country, who has different style of dresses. Like these people, they belong to India only, but they wear different clothes. Okay, so now shall I wind up? Yes, you have understood the chapter very well. Good. I will meet with you tomorrow with next chapter. Okay, till the time, stay home and stay safe. Take care. Bye.